Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of MP4 video file not being able to play in DaVinci Resolve. So I have this video file which I recorded from a Samsung Galaxy phone, and when I try to play it, uh, it will give this error, codec error, right? So I can't play it. So if I close it, as you might have noticed, there is audio but no video. And when I try to import it uh, into DaVinci Resolve, still there is no video, only audio is there, and media is showing offline. You can see the error, media offline. So in my previous video I showed you a way how to fix GoPro video footage getting this error, and how to convert it using a software. But unfortunately that software is licensed product, and it already expired, so I can't use that anymore. So in this video, stay tuned. I'm going to show you a free way of doing this without buying any software. So that is using this good old video player called VLC Media Player, which is absolutely free. And you can use this if you don't know this. We use this to watch movies and all that videos, but if you haven't known before, that we can use this to convert video files as well. So that is a great tool that I just found. And what we will do now here is we will go ahead and open VLC Media Player, go to Media, and use this convert or save option. And then this video small window pops up, and we can add, and then we can browse to the folder where we have saved the video, which is this test, and we open the file, and then we click this small down arrow and click convert, right? And this is the important part. And then here we need to select this video option, the first option where it says H.265 plus MP3 MP4, right? And also you can go ahead and click this settings icon and go to audio codec and keep original audio track, because otherwise audio will not play, as I found out. So you need to make sure that you select the keep original audio track option. So you only have to do it once, I think. After that the settings will stay there. So click save. Okay, go back, click save, and then here you need to select the destination. Select the destination. If you have multiple files, you have the option to select to append a name to the end of the file as well. So in this case we only have one file, so there's no worries. So we'll go ahead and click start. Okay, we'll rename the file actually. We'll put it converted, so we can easily identify, and click start. And as you might notice, the video is getting converted. It will take some time depending on the file size, and as this is a small video, it did it pretty quickly. Okay, the conversion is done. Now we can go back to that file, and okay, this is the converted file. If we double click and play it, right, we played, right? And then if we drag this over, all right, we can see the video here as well. So there we fixed the issue, and we can go ahead and drag it over here, and we can see if you play it, there's audio as well. So there you go, we fixed that issue, and this is how you do it absolutely free using VLC Media Player. See you in another video like this. Thank you.